được nó do còn tông này đông còn tông cái cả còn tông đấy cho nó này không sẽ được nữa tôi nói chỉ do là bất cứ nó nhọ nó là do là cho cả bất cứ khóa này cho sát tao nó là tao cốt chúa vậy tao cốt chúa này cho nó này đâu cái thế này tao cốt chúa chỉ có là hui trái thì cái tao cốt chúa này để tao cho sát nó giờ tao lia chỉ khó tay của thân này bỏ nào chỉ tao nói tao chúa thế có thứ tao này thứ tao lia thứ tao chúa này.
So we will split cassava we have, and we'll see how much.
Chua mất rồi cho tròn này nhở.
Nâng kiloกับnângขีด
How heavy?
1.1
1.1?
Yeah.
So, equals 1.1 kilogram.
Oh, I think we take this off.
Without?
Yeah, only 1 kilogram. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anh ấy cứ chẳng ai sao anh bóc nữa. Này cứ lactobacillusหรือว่า acid lactic.
So, all of them.
เก็บให้มันมันคันบ่มันเราจะได้ใส่ทางใน So it's full. We will use another one.
So we will have to. So we're putting cassava in all of them. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or are you wanting to weigh how much cassava we have?
ดันให้มันเต็มด้วยนะ
Yellow? Are you wanting to weigh how much cassava?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we will calculate to every shipment.
Okay.
And
How much we have to put in? Okay. So if we have one full one,
yeah,
we're going to have about 1/8 in each.
ใส่
Sao không đừng nữa.
How much cassava?
12.3.
12.3?
Yeah.
Okay. So between all of them then, 4 have bacteria. So we will mix 4 together,
And then
the other ones we'll put
bacteria.
bacteria in slowly as we go. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's spread throughout.
Sorry.
So 1.5 kilograms.
1 กิโลครึ่งสั่ง1 กิโลครึ่ง
So if we measure 1.5 kilos of cassava for each one, and then the rest is each one.
Cải đi tiền.
So how many?
3 kg.
How much of that? As much as we can put it. So we want to fill it all the way up.